Hi there, I'm Joe, the founder of dadsguidetotwins.com, and today I'm going to answer one of your most pressing twin parenting questions. Should I worry about different sized twins and due dates during the twin pregnancy? So what you're going to find as you go for your doctor checkups and your ultrasounds is that your twins are going to measure differently. So they have a way, as they do the ultrasounds, they can kind of determine the size of the twins, and they're not always going to be the same. One of them is going to be bigger than the other. That's what happened with our girls. One of our girls was consistently bigger than the other in utero. They ended up staying the same when they were born. And your twins are likely going to have the same scenario. Now, what happens when they're different sizes is they then measure different due dates. So in theory, you can have baby A is due on this day and baby B is due on a different day. Now, the reality is when one of your twins is ready to come out, both of them are going to be coming out, either through a natural vaginal birth or through a C-section. They don't just leave one in there just because their due date hasn't arrived yet. So the variations and discrepancies in the due dates, don't worry too much about that. What you do want to just make sure is that the twins are a healthy ratio to one another, and that these are just estimates that you're getting at the ultrasound. Our girls were measuring a certain size, and then they were born, like less than a week after we got our last ultrasound, and they were completely different sizes. So keep the ultrasounds with a grain of salt. They are an estimate only and not the actual size of your babies. Keep in mind the ratio between them. If one of them is significantly bigger or smaller than the other, then that could indicate a challenge that's worth talking with your doctor about when you are getting those checkups. One possible risk during the twin pregnancy is twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome, where one twin kind of takes in the additional fluids and blood from the other twin, and that can be a health challenge for both the babies. So talk to your doctor if you're worried about twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome. That could explain a huge discrepancy in sizes between the babies, but your medical professionals are going to be on top of that. When they see that on the ultrasound, they're going to probably bring it up with you if you don't bring it up with them first. So just remember, it's natural for your twins to have different sizes while they're cooking in the oven, and when they're born, they're going to be different sizes than even what they were predicting on the ultrasound. So don't worry too much about that. If you would like additional tips and tricks about preparing for or having your twins or overcoming the challenges of raising twins, go ahead and check out some of these other videos and subscribe to the channel for additional tips and tricks to help you along your twin journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.